In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Microsoft OneNote cache. This is a quick fix you can use when OneNote feels slow, won't sync properly, or seems stuck showing old content. We're focusing on Windows, including OneNote Desktop and OneNote for Microsoft 365. Before we start, an important note. Clearing the local cache removes any unsynced changes on your device. Make sure everything is safely synced to OneDrive, or export any important pages or sections you can't afford to lose. Once you're confident your notebooks are backed up, you're ready to proceed. First, close OneNote completely. Don't just minimize it, make sure the app is fully closed. It's also a good idea to confirm it isn't running in the background. If you see OneNote in your taskbar or system tray, quit it there as well, so nothing interferes with clearing the cache. Next, open File Explorer. The fastest way to get to the right folder is with the Run dialog. Press the Windows key and R on your keyboard. Type %, local app data % plus Microsoft OneNote, and press Enter. This takes you straight to OneNote's local data folder. Inside, look for the folder that matches your version, such as 16.0 for recent releases. Open that version folder, and you'll see a folder named Cache. This is where OneNote stores temporary local files that help it load and sync faster, but can also cause issues when they become corrupted or outdated. Now delete the contents of the cache folder. You can select everything inside and remove it. This clears the local cache without touching your actual notebooks stored in the cloud. Alternatively, you can delete the entire cache folder itself. Don't worry, OneNote will recreate it automatically the next time it opens. If you're asked for confirmation, approve the deletion. When that's done, reopen OneNote. The app will rebuild a fresh cache by downloading your notebooks again from the cloud. Depending on the size of your notebooks and your internet connection, that first load may take a little longer. You might see syncing indicators as your content repopulates. That's expected. To be clear, this process does not delete your notebooks in OneDrive. It only clears the temporary local files on your computer. Any unsynced changes that weren't uploaded before clearing the cache will be removed, which is why syncing or exporting first is so important. And that's it. You've cleared the OneNote cache on Windows, and you should notice smoother performance and cleaner syncing going forward.